This is the original LCD screen for iPhone X. We have got one and would like to do some demonstration for your reference. Okay. For iPhone X, it is more complex compared with the previous models. The first step, we will try to separate the base frame. The base frame, it is totally the metal part, and it is more wider and more harder than the previous models. So he's using the special tool. To remove it first, and you can put it on the hot plate to heat up. The hot plate set up to 80 to until between 80 to 90 degrees, okay. And the liquid, it is glue remover liquid. You can put some on the base frame to help you to separate. All these small tools, I think maybe you have already. Okay. The base frame, it has a lot of cold glue on it, so it is really hard for you to separate and need to be more careful. He's doing from one side to another. While you separate the base frame, you need to be very careful. Okay, one part it is removed already. So we continue from the other side, the same way. Okay, now this part it is removed already. Now we get to the most hardest part. It is for the upper side of this base frame. There are a lot of flex cable here, so for this part it is really need to be careful. Do not touch the flex cable while you're removing the base frame, otherwise the LCD screen touch will be damaged. He's doing it really very careful. Okay, we are almost have it done. Okay, now it is removed already, and it will take off the whole LCD screen. And remove the remaining glue which is still on the LCD screen. Just clean it. We're trying to separate the glass from the LCD screen using the manual method, the steel one. So while you're doing separation for the glass and the LCD screen, you need to put the steel one just above the glass so it will not damage the polarizer film. For this kind of OLED screen, usually no need to change the polarizer. So in this process, it is better to pay more attention. So no need to change polarizer film. Okay, now the glass it is removed already. We go go to the next step, cleaning the glue. This is the rubber for lamination. For this kind of OLED screen, you cannot use the blade to remove the glues directly. So use this tool will keep it more safer. Okay. And then we use the glue remover liquid to clean the rest glue.
这种分的话，容易出现这种裂纹，偏光为主。
Okay, so because this separation we just use the hot plate, so you may see some kind of wave on the LCD screen. We're doing cleaning for the LCD screen. We will use our new mold to do alignment and lamination. This mold will use the real LCD screen and make drawings and design by ourselves. The alignment it is very accurate and very good for lamination. For this kind of mold, we have another series for inch series from S6 inch until S7 plus, and Note 8 is available too. You can contact us for more details. And for the glass, we have applied the OCA on it already. We put it in the upper side of the mold. And get it a little sticker with the mold, so it will give good alignment. Peel off the protect film from the OCA. This kind of mold is our unique design. And this will make the lamination very easily. You don't need to afraid that the OLED screen is too soft and maybe not laminated well, but with our mold, you will get a good result. Okay. And then we will take it in the OCA vacuum, in the all-in-one machine. This machine, it will combine both lamination and bubble removal function together. No need air compressor, no need vacuum pump. So now we click the start button and it will work for around 4 minutes. Okay, this is our all-in-one. And it works really quietly while in operation, no noise. Okay, and then we turn to the next. This is the frame sticker for the bezier. For iPhone X, the frame itself, it does not have the glue, so we will use this kind of sticker to put on the frame. Attach it well on the frame. Okay. So this is frame for the this is mold for the frame.
这个胶粘上去。
We will wait for this is right here. We'll open the door. Okay. And you will see that the screen is very perfect. No bubbles at all. And then we will put it together with the frame. It is better to put some of the B7, the glue, to make sure that it gets very strong with the frame. And watch out about the cable. Yeah, make it the same as what he is doing. And put the LCD screen together with the frame. Make them match completely. You can use some kind of the clip to help you to make them together. And wait for like 10 minutes. Okay. We'll wait for about 10 minutes, then you will have the good result.